All right, good evening, guys. Good evening. Right, I'm just joining for another live stream today, and we are going to check something interesting. We're going to check about empty types and also identical types, guys. So, by the way, this is in the section of TS for Java C# programmers. Right, anyways, let's get started. I hope today's stream will go fine. We had some issues, but updated some of the softwares and all. So I hope we can continue a good session. All right, guys. So let's have a look. I had a little bit of busy day today as well. During my work hours, I had to deal with some kind of a weird implementation. I mean, it's not a weird implementation. I done the implementation. Then at the end, I found, ooh, there's an easy way of doing that. So anyways, I learned something, but at the end of the day, the output was good. It was something to do with the typo RM. It's just the the database stuff and for a management API. So yeah, I hope you guys had a good time as well doing some coding during the day, and thank you for joining this live stream as well. So I know these are extra time for us, but if you're passionate like me to doing some tech stuff, I think yeah, why not? It's a little bit of fun and learn something new. So guys, so my background, I started in the Java language as I mean, of course, we learned other languages, but professionally to start with a career, I started with Java. So doing the BlackBerry development and stuff, and so yeah, I'm kind of quite attached with this nominal typing stuff. So when I moved to the the structural typing stuff, I had some little bit of seeing these weird things, which is kind of felt, oh, this doesn't sound right. But yeah, so it's kind of like learning something new, but still you feel like, oh, this might not sound right. Why not they're doing this and that? So TypeScript, when I'm studying TypeScript, I had these kind of lots of these kind of moment. So still I'm kind of very curious what's happening in the TypeScript world. So especially with the type system, guys, you can learn so many stuff, and more I learn, you can get stuff into the day-to-day production code or whatever the work you're doing, and it looks super cool because it's kind of giving you more insight into that. And also the type safety, guys, safety is awesome. You can do lots of clever stuff, and type manipulation, type mapping. I mean, we are working with the runtime a lot of time. We just do like in JavaScript world, which is our working most of the time. We do like all the type of and instance of kind of things, but having something that you get some sort of feedback from compile time, it sounds really clever. And yeah, so I feel today let's go through something cool in the case of looking at the type system. So I found these guys recently while I was playing with this documentation, this specific case, empty types, right? And the implementation, the details they have given is we have something, a class called empty, and no properties at all, no methods, no, even not even a private property or no public properties, nothing. And then we have function that takes a parameter argument of empty, right? And if you see here, we are calling that function with an object which has a property, right? And this sounds a bit weird because, I mean, like in the Java world or any type system, this feels a little bit not right. I mean, we're expecting it to have, just to get something that with no property, not just the something with any property. Now, the funniest thing is if you go here, let's play around with this thing anyway. So you have the function takes the argument